Start by sitting upright so your energy is flowing smoothly, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up your entire body with the breath. Exhaling back out through the mouth slowly and powerfully, allowing your muscles to decompress and relax as fully as possible as the breath trickles back out. And bringing your attention like a spotlight to your tongue, feeling all the details of the sensations within the mouth. Dropping the spotlight down to the neck, the chest, not thinking, just moving with instinct as you feel the stomach, the pelvic floor, the upper legs, lower legs, feet and toes. Feeling that current of energy yo-yo up into the fingertips, feeling the fingers, hands, lower arms, upper arms, feeling all of your back muscles against the support, and breathing up the back, breathing in deeply and imagining the breath traveling up the back, up into the top of the head. And as you exhale, imagine and feel the energy raining down through the entire body. Feeling the aliveness, the electricity of this moment waving through your body, slowly and pleasantly with the breath. Take a moment to simmer and flow and focus deeply on the rejuvenating details of energy and breath, head to toe. Vividly now, see and feel yourself relaxed, energized, and fully present moment to moment throughout the rest of your day. Take a deep breath, allow everything to relax, and when you feel ready, allow the eyes to open. Move in your rhythm, one moment at a time, at whatever pace feels natural to you. Repeat this frequently for best results, and be sure to share this with anyone you think it might benefit.